St. George's College is represented by Jerome Hales, Jelani Grant, Kevoy Ellis, and Cavally Morris. Morant Bay High is represented by Laurel Duncan, Tavane Sterling, Shanice Scott, and Cavalia Stewart. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone, welcome to round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss and St. George's College won and they decided to go first. So we begin with St. George's College. And this section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. St. George's, we begin with history. In what month and year was the US-led invasion of Grenada?
April 1983.
April 1983.
Incorrect. October 1983. Morant Bay High history. What is the name of the site of a failed US-led military invasion in Cuba in 1961?
The Bay of Pigs.
Correct. Local affairs for St. George's. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
We have Floyd Green.
Floyd Green.
Incorrect. David Hume Brown. Local affairs for Morant Bay. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Michelle Charles.
Correct. Physics for St. George's. Electric current is typically measured in what units?
Ampere.
Ampere.
Correct. Physics Morant Bay. Electric resistance is typically measured in what units?
Ohm.
Correct. Spanish for St. George's. What is the English translation of mucho gusto?
Mucho gusto.
I like it a lot.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Correct. Spanish for Morant Bay High. What is the English translation of de nada?
You're welcome.
Correct. St. George's music. Listen to the clip. Identify the singer.
Enrique Iglesias.
Enrique Iglesias.
Correct. Music for Morant Bay. Listen to the clip. Identify this singer.
Michael Stevens.
Incorrect. Ricky Martin. Principles of business for St. George's. What is the name for a systematic way to evaluate the costs and benefits of a decision, project, or policy to determine its feasibility?
Feasibility study.
Feasibility study.
Incorrect. A cost-benefit analysis. Principles of business for Morant Bay. What is the name for a strategic planning tool that helps identify an organization's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats?
SWOT analysis.
Correct. St. George's Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Vin Diesel.
Vin Diesel.
Correct. Theatre and Cinema for Morant Bay. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Sylvester Stallone.
Incorrect. Pierce Brosnan. Information Technology St. George's. What does the abbreviation DBMS stand for?
Database Management System.
Correct. Information Technology Morant Bay. What does the abbreviation URL stand for?
Universal Readable Logo.
No. Uniform Resource Locator. Sports for St. George's. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Good. Oh, yeah.
Hassan Joy.
Hassan Joy.
Incorrect. Hassan Mahmoud. And sports for Morant Bay. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Michael Ramos.
Incorrect. Mahedi Hassan. Literature for St. George's. A Movable Feast is the title of a memoir about which American novelist?
Movable Feast. No.
Ernest.
Ernest.
Daniel Defoe.
Incorrect. Ernest Hemingway. Literature for Morant Bay. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings is an autobiography about which African-American writer and poet?
Malcolm X.
Incorrect. Maya Angelou. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge, and the scores at this time, St. George's College on 5 and Morant Bay High also on 5. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.